how to create a free Google's Jules AI Agent account. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully created an account and then I'm within Jules. Let me ask it hi Julie and then come and click on create plan. And then as you can see, Julie has responded. That's what can it help me with. So I'm going to ask what is it good at. And as you can see, these are the things that Julie can do. Okay, so let me show you step by step how you can create a free account. Okay, so let's get right into it. Just go to Google and then from Google search, come and search for julies.google and then hit enter. It's going to bring you right here to the Julie platform. Okay, and then you can come and then create a free account. So when you look here where you have the plans, come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here and then this is the free plan. Okay, in the free plan you have 15 tags per day, 3 tags, and then powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, so when you're okay with this, simply come here and then come and click on try Julies. Then when you click on it, it's going to ask you if you have a GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub account, you have to create one so that you can connect it to it. Let me show you how to create a GitHub account. Just go to Google and then come and search for GitHub and come and select the official site of GitHub pages. Come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here at the top right hand corner. You have sign up. Come and click on sign up and then you can simply come and then sign up using your email address. Then you put in a strong password, you choose a username, you select your country. Come and check the box to select product communications and come and click on create account. That is it. After that, come and click on connect to GitHub and then they are going to ask you permission to link your account with it. Okay, it's simple as that. So you will link your account with it and then to link it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have authorized Google Labs Julie's. Come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it is automatically going to ask you to install. Okay, so when you come down here, you see that you can come and then select all repositories. Okay, or you can even select only one. Okay, so we are going to go with all and then come and click on install and authorize, and that is it. It is going to install for you. As you can see, successfully installed it and then it is going to connect for me. Okay, so you just have to wait for some time and then that is it. Your Julie is activated and then you can simply come and then start chatting with it. So over here you can come and then click on the down arrow and then you can always come and then add a repository. Okay, so I'm going to use the one that I've created already and that is it. You are good to go. Like the video and then see you in my next video.